Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. And today I've brought a very delicious dish for you. Today I'm going to make Szechuan pasta and like one of the tastiest dish you're ever going to try. So without any further delay, let's get straight towards the video. First of all, I've taken a pan and I've poured some water into it and I've put it for boiling. And after the water starts boiling, then we'll put some of the macaroni. I've taken 2 cups of macaroni and I'm going to add into the boiling water. Then with the help of a spoon, I'm going to mix it so that the pasta or the macaroni does not stick with each other. And after that, we will add some salt. You can add according to your taste. I'm adding 1.5 spoon. With that, I'm adding oil. And now we're going to mix it again with the help of a spoon and let it boil for like about 80% of it to get boiled. After a few minutes, just take one of the pasta or the macaroni out of this pan and just see whether it's like boiled or not. Just see whether it's tender, soft or not. So take out the one and you'll see it's really tender and soft, so you can take it out, stain it, and that's all. Stain it quite carefully because the steam can burn your hand, and after that rinse it with water. You can also wear heat resistant gloves to prevent from burning. Rinse it with water so that the pasta does not stick. Now moving towards the next part, I've taken a pan and I have poured oil, about 1/4 cup of oil into the pan. With that, I'm going to add chopped ginger and garlic, about 1 tablespoon. So I've turned the flame on medium and I'm going to fry it. I'm going to use a wooden spoon onto a non-stick pan. Do not use a metallic spoon because it can destroy the non-stickness of the pan. With that, I'm going to add chopped green chilies. You can add it according to your taste. Some people like to add more spices. Some people like to add less spices. It's really up to you. With that, I've added diced onion. So I've taken a medium-sized onion and I'm going to saute it. Once the onion starts to turn a little bit pinkish, then we will add this sauce that I have made from tomatoes. I've made 1 tomato puree and it's about 1 cup. I've taken water and some tomato and just blended it. So mix it quite well and then cover it with the help of a lid onto medium flame for 3 to 5 minutes. After it's really turned out to be a sauce form, then we will mix it again with the help of a wooden spoon. Now it's time to add some spices. I have taken chili flakes, about 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder and red chili powder as well. With that, I've added salt. It's really up to you. You can add it according to your taste. With that, I've added black pepper powder and I'm going to mix all these ingredients quite well. So we're going to add some more ingredients. That's going to be macaroni masala, about 1 tablespoon, and that's going to give it a really better flavor. So macaroni masala can be available at any supermarket as well. With that, I'm adding parsley, about 1.5 teaspoon, and oregano, about 1.5 teaspoon as well. So this is going to enhance the flavor of our dish. I'm going to mix all these ingredients quite well with the help of a spoon and take care that the masala or this mixture sauce does not stick to the pan. Well, we're going to add some chopped carrots, about 1.5 cup. I have taken 1.5 chopped cup carrots. With that, I've added capsicum and some boiled corn. And it's really up to you, whatever the vegetables you want to add. You can also skip the carrots or the capsicum or the corn if you do not like these vegetables. It's really up to you. So let's move towards the next part. That's gonna be adding Szechuan sauce, and that's gonna make it really delicious. You can find it at any supermarket as well. So after that, we're going to add the boiled macaroni into it, and that's all. Well, this is going to be ready. We are going to mix all these ingredients quite well, and After that, our dish is going to be ready. We're going to let it cook for a few minutes, and with that, I'm going to add some fresh coriander. It's really up to you if you want to add coriander. If you do not want to add coriander, it's really up to you. Again, mix it quite well with the help of a wooden spoon or a plastic spoon, and cover it so that it turns out to be hot, like for 2 minutes. And after that, we are going to take it out into a presentable plate and present it in front of gas. It's ready to be served. So do try this recipe at home, and if you have any curiosity to anything, just comment down in the comment section. And if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family if this is helpful to you, and do subscribe to my channel. Once you're gonna subscribe to my channel, you'll see a bell icon, hit it, and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. And do try this recipe and let me know in comment section whether you like it or not. Till then, goodbye, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.